Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the fundamentals that often fix no-signal problems fast. Check the HDMI cable at both ends, unplug and reseat it because loose pins or dust block the handshake. Power on the Xbox and watch for a steady front LED. If it flickers, restart the console. On your TV, choose the exact HDMI input number and cycle through alternatives. Once done, make sure the controller is synced and the TV isn't muted or set to a weird resolution. Next, isolate whether the issue is cable, console, or TV. Swap to a known good HDMI cable and try another TV or monitor. If it works elsewhere, the original TV or its port is the culprit. Boot the Xbox in low-resolution safe mode by holding eject and bind, then pressing the Xbox button. This forces a basic signal so you can change display settings. Also inspect your TV's firmware and HDMI-C or input lock settings, because automated switching or outdated firmware can prevent video from appearing. Finally, perform focused advanced fixes once you see any picture in low resolution. Adjust the Xbox video output to a stable format like 1080p or 60Hz, and switch HDR or variable refresh off to remove handshake conflicts. If that fails, test the console through a capture card or AV receiver to further isolate HDMI handshakes. One key troubleshooting tip: if the console shows boot lights but no image across multiple displays and cables, note your Xbox serial and error behavior before contacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.